My last solo spoken word is called Dear Mom and Dad. To my mom and dad, so much I want to say about why I went away and the way I had to stay. I think of them each day while I'm out in the fray. Their lessons out they play, strong still as their sway. Here's an idea of my parents right off. My mom pregnant, my dad pissed off. Both the trash can lids held fierce in both hands, staring down hoodlums in the back alley, backlands. Coppers calls his kids out for some bullshit curfew, thought they were dealing with something that they knew. My parents took on the system, a crew of just two. The storm they did brew, but the law changed new. Taught to live life with meaning, don't live on no shelf. Do you know is right and have faith in yourself? Been trying to do that as best I can. I stumble and rise up again and again. Strong body, strong mind. To my deep core these words did bind. Strong heart, strong spirit. This life lesson, I did hear it. A bully on a motorbike chased us for spite. My dad kicked him straight off and ended his blight. Taught me heroes' flames and pure and bright, that I must find the might to do right. Demons haunted me, nightmares without cease. He told me how to slay them, I would never know peace. Like a knight of the false king, stay off your knees. So a sense of truth I will never release. Dad told me a story about a dear relative, about seeing the true self and where it does live. I took this lesson to heart, and with it I do strive, though it takes me places I might not survive. He always stressed the importance of family, raised me to be champion after he. Though we don't see the same reality, I quest for our family's greatest legacy. Though our journeys go separate ways, a love for them always stays. Someday I hope to solve this maze. Someday I hope to earn their praise. With her kids, my mom, you don't want to mess. My teacher, she handled when they were reckless. They tried to cow her to make me confess. She told them the hard truth and they had to stress. My mom took on the government double-handed when against her son they wrongly banned it. A broken thing I was when I landed. She saved me through struggle, proudly branded. Taught me to meditate into higher state, to have faith in myself and make my own fate. To avoid psychic vampires, ill-intended bait, how to find the white light. Keep to it straight. She warned me about the dangerous dark side, worried where my path would lead me to ride. She doesn't see the discovery that is my tide, so I must be patient, my time must bide. Strong body, strong mind, to my deep core these words did bind. Strong heart, strong spirit, this life lesson I did hear it. First hit my discovery, thought I might be crazy. When I tried to share it, wasn't seen as a daisy. Surrounded by disbelief, my vision got hazy. Surrounded by disinterest, my courage got lazy. Had to distance myself from everyone from before. Had to go through that dark door like I was going to war. My desire to quit on my mission was not rare, but I'm stronger now. To dream I do dare. I dream my dad and I taking on all the world's bullies. My mom and I raising its consciousness with the pulleys. I dream of those seeing that I have not strayed for the noblest course I found and stayed. I dream that under these surreal circumstances we can come together as heroes of shared stances. Through it all, this dream still lingers and dances. Dear mom and dad, when you think of the chances. Though our journey goes separate ways, my love for them always stays. Someday I hope to solve this maze. Someday I hope to earn their praise.